Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an iVisa account. So first we're going to go to the app. You can get it in the App Store or Play Store. So once it's loaded, we're going to go to the profile section by clicking on the button below. Then here we're going to click on sign up for free. So here we're going to write our name, our first name, our last name, our email address, as well as our password. After that, we're going to set a password. Then we're going to agree for privacy and terms, then click on create account. So as you can see, we've created the account. This is how we do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.